Deep in the heart of tall timber forest lived Ripple, a small speckled frog with eyes as wide as the moon, and Rusty, a raccoon with fur streaked like a silver river under starlight. Ripple was curious, always asking questions, while Rusty was ambitious, always chasing big dreams. One crisp morning, as the mist curled like whispers above the ponds, Ripple peered into the murky water of their home. The lily pads sagged, and the once clear water swirled with silt. "Rusty," Ripple croaked, "I want to find the cleanest pond in the world." Rusty, always ready for an adventure, flicked his striped tail and grinned. "Then let's set off and find it." With Ripple riding atop Rusty's fluffy back, the duo bounded past ancient trees, their roots gripping the earth like wise hands. Their first stop was the Silver Brook, a babbling stream where dragonflies wove dances in the air. But as Ripple leapt from Rusty's back and landed with a soft plop, his toes curled into something strange, sticky. Shimmering sludge clung to his skin. Rusty sniffed the water, and he wrinkled his nose. "This is oil," murmured a voice. They turned to see Luna, a wise old heron, her feathers tinged with gray. Humans spoiled it long ago. The fish left, but the reeds have started cleaning it. You see, nature finds a way. Ripple and Rusty pressed on, their hearts weighed by Luna's words. Next, they arrived at the lonely marsh, where cattails swayed like lonely sentries. At first glance, the water was clear, reflecting the sky like glass. But as Ripple waded in, the air grew heavy. A bitter, choking scent curled around them. "Ugh, why does it smell like this?" Rusty coughed. From the reeds, a tiny turtle named Theo peeked out. "Pesticides," he whispered. "They poisoned my home." But see those little green shoots? The plants, well, they're fighting back. Ripple and Rusty nodded, determination shining in their eyes. Finally, exhausted but hopeful, they reached the hidden spring, tucked between rocky cliffs draped with ivy. Crystal clear water bubbled from deep within the earth. It smelled fresh, like rain after a dry spell. Ripple dove in with a delighted croak, feeling the gentle tug of the current, while Rusty splashed beside him. "We found it!" Ripple cheered. But as they floated, a tiny vole named Vinny appeared with a sad smile. "Even this place isn't perfect," he murmured. "Look at the edges." Ripple and Rusty scanned the banks. Plastic bottles and cans lay wedged between the roots. "It's never just one place, is it?" Rusty sighed. Vinny nodded. "But every hand that helps, every creature that cares, they make it better." As the sun dipped into the horizon, painting the world in fiery hues, Ripple and Rusty returned home. Not with the cleanest pond, but with something better. A mission. They rallied the creatures of the forest, Theo the turtle, Luna the heron, and even Vinny the vole. Together, they cleaned their pond, plucking weeds to help the water breathe, clearing trash, and planting new reeds to strengthen the banks. And as Ripple gazed at the shimmering moon reflected in their pond, cleaner than it had been in years, he realized something. "The cleanest pond in the world," he murmured, "is the one we take care of." Rusty smiled, his tail curling around his friend. And so, under the star-speckled sky, the adventure ended. But their mission had just begun.